Amazing returns. This coin pumped 250%. I made $25,000. The coin name is a million. The symbol is MM. I shared this trade at the private list yesterday. We bought this coin for around $2 and put a sell order up here at daily resistance $7. 250%. In order to find those coins, the software I developed is calculate volume spike plus buyer power. So that is the software I developed. Let's go to pump. You see volume spike plus buyer power. Let me show the trades I share in the private list. On the pump and up list, we trade Acquire.Fi, Legal of Kindles, Theta Arena, Wall Network, Legals of Unsignedness, James Coin, Million, and CleanDao. Guys, we focus on coin with high volume. The volume need spike. Volume spike plus buyer power is the pump combination, guys. Price go flat, volume spike, the price pump. Price go flat, volume spike, the price pump. I share all my trades in the private list. In order to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. pumpanduptime@gmail.com. Let me show you another trades we trade. Take a look, something is very similar with just those two trades here. CleanDao, we made 65% profit. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday. We bought this coin for 0.004. Put a sell order up here, daily resistance 0.0075. Guys, I want to show something. Take a look how similar those coins they move. Price goes up, price goes down. Same thing happen here. Price goes up, price goes down. So I shared this trade in the private list after the pump. The pump volume spike here, and I share right here. Legal of Accidents, guys, 180%. I shared this trade. The coin price was 0.0027 and put a sell order right here. Daily resistance, guys, 190%. I made $18,000. Guys, I developed the software pump and dump to track the market. The software is tracking the first 3,000 coins with more volume. I share all my trades development in the private list because together we are strong. More people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. Right now, take a look how many coins I have in my software available to trade. By the way, guys, follow my Twitter account. Keep yourself updated about Bitcoin. I just tweeted here about Bitcoin. My Twitter account is Pump and Dump. Okay? I tweeted about Bitcoin. If you keep this support right here, the price go up and break the resistance, is gonna hit $40,000. pumpanduptime@gmail.com. We trade 24/7. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.